Hi everybody and welcome to Daddy Daughter Time Cooking. I'm Daughter.
And I'm Daddy.
And today is the last episode of 2022. 2022.
You know what we should do?
What should we do?
Celebrate.
Well, what should we celebrate with?
We should celebrate the end of 2022 with some chocolate pudding.
Yepper.
But wait.
What?
We don't have any mix.
Well, it's okay because all you need are chocolate chips, milk, and cornstarch.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Well, let's start making some chocolate pudding to celebrate chocolate pudding!
Here are today's ingredients for our chocolate pudding. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 2.5 cups of milk, divided into 2 1/4 and 1/4 cup. We are now going to add the 1/4 cup of milk to the cornstarch. And mix until all the cornstarch is combined.
Well, let's make some chocolate pudding. Get your milk ready, your chocolate chips, and your cornstarch milk mixture. Turn your range on to medium-high heat. Take your milk, add it to the pot. And now we're going to go ahead and whisk or stir the milk until it gets warm. Not scalding, just warm. So the milk is nice and warm, and we're going to slowly start to add our chocolate chips to the warm milk and stir. We're going to keep doing this until all the chocolate chips have melted into the milk. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the pan so the melted chocolate doesn't burn at the bottom. Now that all the chocolate chips have melted into the milk and the milk is starting to boil, we will slowly add our cornstarch milk mixture to the milk and chocolate. You'll see that right away it starts to thicken. Keep stirring and keep slowly adding in the cornstarch mixture until it's all in. Keep this going for about 3 minutes or so. Now that the pudding has been cooked and it's ready for yummy goodness, we have to present the pudding. Hint: use wine glasses to serve the pudding. Take the pudding, put equal parts of this into 4 wine glasses, serve at room temperature, or put in the fridge and have it later for a chilled, tasty treat. Well, daughter, we did it! We got us some chocolate pudding, and now we can celebrate the end of 2022 and the beginning of 2023.
Yep.
All right, so since we did that, I'm ready to start. What? It's chocolate pudding. We made it to celebrate. I like to celebrate. What's with the assault all the time and hitting me?
Well, the taster has to have it.
It's chocolate pudding. How can it not be scrumdiddlyumptious?
You never know, we might have burnt the chocolate.
Oh, come on. Really? Fine. That means we got to call him over again, right?
Yep.
All right.
Taste
tester! Hello, taste tester.
Hello, Daddy.
How are you?
Good.
You know it's the end of the year, right?
Yes.
We made some chocolate pudding to celebrate.
Okay.
Are you ready to try the chocolate pudding and tell me if it's okay?
Yes.
All right, here we go. We're going to get some chocolate pudding. Try. It's good? Can we celebrate now?
Yes.
We can?
Yes.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching this here. We appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, hey guys, what is it that we do in this house?
In this house, we dance in the kitchen.
Bye, everybody. Happy New Year. Chocolate pudding. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're getting some, huh? All right, let's get some. Oh, yeah. Good stuff. Dance, everybody. Happy New Year.